So at this point, I'm sure you guys have seen Palantir reported earnings a couple of days ago, and their stock is up over 30% in the past 5 days, now pushing $10 a share. And just a couple of weeks ago, the stock was in the 7s. Check it out. They ended up doing adjusted EPS of 5 cents, which beat the 4-cent expected, and they also beat on revenue $525 million versus $506 million expected. And for Palantir's revenue for the quarter, it increased 18%. That's pretty good. And yes, growth has slowed down a little bit from what it was, but you got to realize the macro, environment that we're in right now, growth could get back to that 20, 30, 40% level like this. Palantir is not that big of a company, so growth could spike back up. Last quarter, Palantir marked its first ever quarter of positive net income on a GAAP basis, right, at $31 million, and Karp said this is a significant moment for us and our supporters. It sure is, guys, and let me tell you, when a company gets consistently profitable on a GAAP basis, that's when big institutions start buying in, shorts start to cover. We saw a big short squeeze, guys, after the earnings came out. And trust me, if they consistently become GAAP profitable, right, quarter after quarter after quarter, more money's going to flood in. The stock's going to continue to climb up, at least in my opinion. Of course, if they execute as well. There's a lot of ifs, but it's heading in the right direction. What do you guys think? Don't forget to get up to 15 stocks in my bio.